This is the given quadratic equation and we need to find out factors for this quadratic equation. The first step is compare this equation with this equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 and find out the value for a, b and c. So the value for a is 6, value for b is 13 and value for c is plus 6. Now remember to consider the sign as well. So value for c is plus 6 and is plus 6 for a. Now this c and a, find the factors which now always remember this b is the addition of the factors and this multiplication of a and c is the multiplication of the factors. So whatever the factors or the numbers are which for which we are solving this equation, their multiplication must be equals to a into c value and their addition must be equals to b. Now here value of a is 6 and value of c is 6. So 6 into 6 which is equals to 36. So the multiplication of the factors must be equals to plus 36 because both the 6, this 6 and this 6 are positive, right? So their multiplication must be plus 6 and their addition must be 13 plus 13. So let's find out the multiplication factors for 36. So the first is, let's divide this by 2. So 2 into 18 is the first. Second is by 3. So 3 into 12. Next is by 4, which is 4 into 9. And next is by 6, which is 6 into 6. So we get our multiplications, right? So now the next condition these must be satisfied is their addition must be equals to 30. So let's see, the addition of this 6 plus 6 is 12. Addition of 4 and 9 is 13. We got 13, but let's calculate for the remaining two as well. So 3 plus 12 is 15 and 2 plus 18 is 20. So their addition must be equals to 13. So for 4 into 9, their addition 4 plus 9 is 13, which is our b value, and their multiplication which is equals to 36, which is equals to our a into c, right? Even the signs are exactly the same. Now here remember, these can be minus 4 and minus 9 as well, these factors, right? Because minus 4 into minus 9 is equals to plus 36 obviously, but minus 4 plus minus 9 is equals to minus 4 minus 9 is equals to minus 13. So this is not equals to this are plus 13. So these are not the factors, these are the factors because their multiplication is same for as per our a into c and their addition is equals to b. Now remember 4 and 9. So now I can replace this 13x plus 13x as 4x plus 9x, right? And remaining 6x square plus and this plus 6 is equals to 0. Now here what I can take common here from this first, I can take common 2x, right? So what will remain in the bracket? 3x plus 2, right? This plus sign here because I am taking plus 3 common now from this. So if I took 3 common plus 3 common, then what will remain in the bracket? 3x plus 2, which is equals to 0. Now we can took this 3x plus 2 common. So 3x plus 2 and in the next one 2x plus 3. This plus 3 is equals to 0. So we get our factors. Now the factors are 3x plus 2 is equals to 0 or 2x plus 3 is equals to 0. Now solve this. 3x is equals to minus 2 Therefore x is equals to minus 2 by 3, and for this 2x is equals to minus 3, so x is equals to minus 3 by 2. So these are the factors, that x is equals to minus 2 by 3 or x is equals to minus 3 by 2. So this is how we find out factors for the given quadratic equation. Now there is another method to find out the factors, which is a formula based one, which is used when these multiplication like a into c. Now if there is no multiplicative factors whose addition comes as b, so we will follow that formula method for finding factors for that respective quadratic equation. And in the next video we will learn about that, the equation method to find out factors for the given quadratic equation.